Snow White, aka Rachel Zegler, and the evil queen Gal Gadot were seen serving looks at the film's Los Angeles premiere on Saturday, turning the red carpet into a fairy tale runway. Amidst much anticipation, the two stars attended the event together, bringing a modern twist to their iconic on-screen characters. Rachel Zegler was a vision in pink, donning a pale rose-colored strapless gown. The dress featured a corseted bodice adorned with delicate butterfly appliques and a voluminous floor-length skirt. Her look was further accessorized with a sparkling diamond necklace that looked absolutely perfect. Staying true to her character, Gal Gadot, on the other hand, chose a sheer black lace dress with a ruffled miniskirt layered over a longer floor-length skirt. Her sleek middle-part hair completed the look, topped off with a playful necklace. Both of their looks could have certainly used a grander platform, but according to reports, Disney is keeping things low. Prior to the film's release on March 21, the actresses have kept their promotional appearances low-key. According to reports, this strategy appears to be a part of Disney's attempt to avoid backlash that has been swirling around the Snow White remake since its announcement back in September 2022. Reports suggest the premiere won't feature any traditional media on the red carpet, and Disney will rely on photographers and in-house crew to cover the event. Rachel Zegler, in particular, has faced criticism for both her casting and her opinions on the classic 1937 Snow White film. When it was announced that she would take on the role of Snow White, many fans raised eyebrows, with some even voicing racist backlash over her Latina heritage. Furthermore, Rachel being vocal about her critique of the original animated film, including calling out its dated narrative, only added fuel to the fire among fans of the classic. The remake also attracted criticism for what many see as Disney's woke approach. What's your take on this whole controversy? Should classic fairy tales remain true to their original essence? Let us know your thoughts below and don't forget to subscribe to Shosha for more such trending news.